How to add music to Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add music to your Canva designs. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is head over your canva.com and just head over to a project that you want to add a music in. So I'll just open this project in another tab. And after you're there, what you'll need to do is the first thing that you can do to add a music is simply head over this section right around here. You can just expand this too if you want to, or not, it's completely up to you. Head over to designs, and after you're here, you can scroll down till you find an option or a section called music. If you do not find it, that's completely alright. What you can do is head over to elements, and there you should find audio section. From here, you can add any of your music here. So there you go. You've just added a music. The other way that you can add a music is by simply uploading it. To upload a music, you can head over to the uploads section, simply open up a folder with the music in it, drag it and drop it around here. After you drop it, it will get uploaded and you can head over to the audio section and there you will find your music. Now to add the music in your Canva project, simply drag this and drop it here. Now you can see the drop music option right there. You can drop it here and yeah, you're basically good to go. That is how you can add music in your Canva designs. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.